Okay, seriously, Popeye's chicken is just chef's kiss. I'm telling you, if you're craving that perfectly crispy, juicy fried chicken, this is it, right? It's honestly the best fast food fried chicken out there, no question. And the sides, oh my gosh, don't even get me started. They're so good. You could practically make a meal just out of the sides. But that chicken, though, it's got this amazing flavor and that incredible crunch. I'm genuinely obsessed. Every single time I get Popeyes, it's just pure happiness. It's so satisfying, you know? If you haven't tried it, you are seriously missing out. Go grab some now.